had announced RDI fund, which means Research Development Innovation Fund, of rupees 1 lakh crore, to accelerate the private sector participation in research, development, innovation, because it's our firm belief that we have to move together, the public and the private sector, for the further growth journey of India as we move on to 2047. And I think this is one of the unique initiatives in the sense that it is government which is coming forward to support the private sector, with the noble thought that since government has taken a number of path-breaking decisions, thanks to Prime Minister Modi, opening of the nuclear sector to private players, opening of the space sector. So, in order to prepare also the private sector to, to gear up for this new domains, we would accelerate their initiative, then in the hope that they would take over. Now, repeatedly the query that was coming to us from many youngsters that what about us, because for this RDI fund, the condition is you have to be at T4 level. That means you have to graduate to a certain level of innovation, and then when both the sides are convinced that you are now in a position to turn into an entrepreneur or take up an enterprise, then the support is granted, but not for the early starters or for the new startups. And therefore, the NRF is there, Anusandhan National Research Foundation. There we are providing this fund, which is a kind of a grant, could be crore, could be more, could be less, depending on the nature and theme of the startup. But the condition was that the startup group had to be sustaining itself for at least 3 years, so that we are satisfied, they are satisfied that they are there to stay, not that they come today and then away. But then many of the youngsters, because this government has been very liberal in encouraging startups, encouraging private enterprise, and I think this is out-of-way decision taken to mark the foundation day of the SIR. We are removing that condition of 3-year being 3-year existence, I would say. Any new startup group which floats itself can come and avail of this through the SIR. So, and the next step would be then the RDI fund. So they can, from this ecosystem, multi-layer ecosystem, they can sustain themselves for the long journey.